Hey guys, I'm doing a video today on some just random things that I'm just going to chuck together and put together because I can't really be bothered to cook properly today. So it's got prawns, it's got pre-boiled rice, it's got onions, veg. It's like a fried rice and prawns, I would say. But it's just like my go-to thing to cook that really takes literally less than 10 minutes. So enjoy. I started with putting butter in the pan. I'm going to get that really hot. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of crushed red chilies. Depends on how hot you want it. You don't need to add that much. I'm going to mix that all in. My prawns are already pre-cooked, and this is the rice that I'm going to use. It's the Tilda basmati and wild rice. So let that all just infuse together. And while that bubbles away, I'm going to add in the onions. What we're going to do now is going to add in the fresh broccoli, like so, and the fresh peppers, like so. Just mix that all in. And then we're going to add two tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and 2 tablespoons of the Maggi liquid seasoning. Gonna just add that all together. Gonna add a bit of salt to my veg. And then we're gonna add in our rice. I'm only gonna put in half the pack. And then we're gonna just mix it all together, like so. And then I'm going to add in our prawns. So now I'm just going to mix that all in, and what we're going to do is just going to let those broccoli cook for a couple of minutes. Just going to cover it and let that just cook, and you're basically you're done. So cover and let the broccolis cook down for a couple of minutes, and then you're ready to serve. Right, it's been 2 minutes, so I'm just going to check our broccoli, and that looks good. Just going to give it a stir. The rice hasn't stuck down. So yeah, guys, literally in under less than 10 minutes, you have a prawn and vegetable stir fry with fried rice. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. Please try it, it's super yummy. Add whatever you like to it, whatever vegetables you want, whatever meat content you want, completely up to you. I'm going to serve this with some fresh spring onions and some lemon juice. So enjoy, and I hope you've enjoyed it. Bye.